Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a digital clock to OBS Studio. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to time.is. Once the page loads, you'll see a digital clock displayed on the screen. Go ahead and copy the URL link from the address bar at the top of your browser. This link is what you'll use to embed the clock directly into your OBS scene. Now open your OBS Studio application on your computer. Once you're in OBS, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen where you'll find the Sources panel. This is where all your scene elements are managed. Click on the plus icon to add a new source, and from the list that appears, select Browser. This option allows you to embed web pages directly into your stream or recording. A dialog box will pop up asking you to name your source. Go ahead and rename it to Digital Clock so you can easily identify it later. Then click OK to proceed. Next, you'll see a field labeled URL. Delete any existing link that might be there, then paste the URL you copied earlier from time.is. Click OK to confirm and add the source to your scene. At this point, you'll see the browser source appear in your OBS scene, but it will display the entire web page, not just the clock. To show only the digital clock, you'll need to crop the browser source. Hold down the Alt key on your keyboard, then click and drag the corners of the browser source inward. Keep adjusting until only the digital clock is visible on your screen. This cropping technique gives you precise control over what part of the web page you want to display. Now, if you want to customize the color of your digital clock, navigate back to the Sources panel in the bottom left. Right-click on the digital clock source you just added, and from the menu that appears, select Filters. This opens up a range of visual effects you can apply to your source. In the Filters window, look to the bottom left and click the plus icon to add a new effect. From the list, select Color Correction, then click OK. This filter allows you to adjust the appearance of your clock to match your stream's color scheme. Navigate to the Color section near the bottom of the filter settings and click Select Color right beside it. A color picker will appear, allowing you to choose any color you want for your clock. Click on your preferred color, then click OK to apply it. Once you're satisfied with the color, click Close to exit the Filters window. If you want to reposition your digital clock on the screen, simply click on it in the preview window and drag it wherever you want it to appear in your scene. And that's it. You've successfully added a customizable digital clock to your OBS Studio setup. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.